The Sprint Cup chase tightens up between Johnson, Hamlin, and Harvick with 3 races to go. Clint Bowyer wins a photo finish at Talladega this past Sunday, and Jim Hunter of NASCAR was laid to rest on Tuesday. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Michelle Rahal with the Motorsports Channel and the motorsportschannel.com. Clint Bowyer barely nipped Kevin Harvick at the line on Sunday at Talladega. It took a few minutes to decide who won as Bowyer and Harvick waited side by side to find out who took the flag. The race was surprisingly easy on cautions, but the field went 4 wide at times. The net result put Johnson, Harvick, and Hamlin within easy striking distance of the Sprint Cup title. The points going into Texas can be seen on the screen here. Only 3 races are left. That's Texas, Phoenix, and Homestead. Denny Hamlin won at the Texas Spring Race with Jimmie Johnson in tow, so this weekend's race should be entertaining to say the least. These 3 guys are not going to be able to play the points game like some of the past chases. These guys have got to go for it on one of NASCAR's fastest tracks. Jim Hunter was laid to rest on Tuesday. The funeral and reception were held in Darlington, South Carolina, Jim's adopted home. Mike Helton, Junior Johnson, and countless dignitaries came to salute the life of one of NASCAR's great figures. His wife, Ann Hunter, seemed to enjoy the celebration of this great man's life, and it certainly seemed fitting that it was a celebration and not a wake. Jim Hunter will be missed. For the Motorsports Channel and the motorsportschannel.com, I'm Michelle Rahal. We'll see you next week.